Lake Victoria is Africa's largest freshwater lake. The lake supports over 40 million people in 3 countries, that is Kenya, Tanzania, and Uganda, and its source is the River Nile. The region's inhabitants rely on the lake for all aspects of their lives, including fishing, agriculture, and industrial applications. However, Arzin notes that the increasing population has negatively impacted water quality through agriculture and industrial runoff and sewage. Water shortages are already a challenge and will become severe in the near future. As such, countries have been advised to put measures in place to help tackle this. Such measures include water reusing and adopting circular economy in the Nile Basin regions. Around the lake basin, circular economy is mainly achieved through water recycling and reuse. This is through wastewater treatment and management, irrigation, biogas production, hydropower production, and water purification and consumption. According to Francis Okumu, a resident of the lake region in Kenya, while fishing has been the major source of income-generating activity, this is threatened because of the dwindling fish stocks, enhanced patrol by security personnel, poor fishing methods, and pollution. Vovin Ogubi, a resident, is worried that even people around the lake are abandoning fishing and are equally doing irrigated farming of crops, but using poor irrigation methods, including excessive chemicals that drains into the lake, further polluting the lake and making the water unsafe for drinking. We visited Kisumu Water and Sanitation Company Limited, Kiwasco, Dunga Water Treatment Plant in Kisumu City to understand how water treatment is done at this site. According to Kiwasco, the plant has provided a solution of water demand in the area and as such benefited the locals. According to Kiwasco technician engineer Moses Jura, the company has not been able to fully meet the expectations due to few constraints.
Number one challenge we face is the invasion of water hyacinth, which of course prevents our pumps from operating the way they are supposed to operate. Recently we had a very interesting phenomenon where the lake levels rose to abnormal levels, which almost submerged our pumping system that is at the lake. From Lake Victoria, the chemical nature of that raw water has changed over time. Recently, just a month ago, the color of raw water from the lake has become a little darkish. If you observe it, it is dark blue. Yeah, that gives us a lot of problems, and the scientists are saying this is as a result of the problems which have been caused by water hyacinth. Unfortunately for us, our power costs are relatively high. So we are looking into areas of having alternative power, which are affordable for us to be able to use and, of course, reduce the costs of inputs in water production.
Marine resources and countries are aware that interventions must be sought to minimize the risks that come with the investment in such resources. Thus, focus on use interventions like water reuse.